colors. Let's paint! Hi, kids! Today, we are painting a ladybug. What is a ladybug? A ladybug is a small, round insect that is easy to recognize because of its bright colors and spots. Most ladybugs are red or orange with black spots, but they can also be yellow, black, or even pink. What do ladybugs eat? Ladybugs are really helpful insects because they eat tiny bugs called aphids that can harm plants. A single ladybug can eat up to 50 aphids in one day. That's why gardeners and farmers love having ladybugs around. They help keep plants healthy. Where do ladybugs live? Ladybugs can live in gardens, forests, grasslands, and even in cities. They like to stay where they can find lots of food, like in gardens with plenty of plants. When it gets cold, ladybugs hibernate, often gathering in large groups to stay warm. Why do ladybugs have spots? The spots on a ladybug's back are a way to warn predators that they taste bad. If a bird or another animal tries to eat a ladybug, the ladybug can release a smelly, yellow fluid from its legs, which tells the predator, "I'm not tasty." Green. God is our creator. He lives in his kingdom up in heaven, and he wants you to know that there is no other God beside him. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 25. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven." Yellow. And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good, and God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth." And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind." And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. ladybugs. Ladybugs can fly. Ladybugs have wings hidden under their hard, colorful shell. When they're ready to fly, they open their shell and flap their wings up to 85 times per second. Ladybug can lay up to 1,000 eggs in her lifetime. The eggs are usually laid on leaves, close to a food source. Most ladybugs live for about 1 year, but some can live up to 2 or 3 years if they're in a safe environment.